Okay, this is Dean Nelson with Nelson Plant Food. We're out here in our fertilizer blend plant, and I just wanted to show you that we actually make our own fertilizer. We buy all the ingredients ourselves. We put them in bins like this. We have a weigh scale that's digitally controlled so we can make all the different blends. And we're just very particular about our fertilizers, how we make them, and the quality control that we use. We could put pesticides on some of our fertilizers. And then this is our blender here. It holds 4 tons, and it's a state-of-the-art blender, and we have screens, conveyors. It's all state-of-the-art, stainless steel product. We built this plant 7 years ago. This is my 3rd plant I've built since 1983, and we're gonna go over here and look at the bagging operation. Okay, here we are out in the bagging plant. It's all open mouth bags. Every product is individually processed and bagged according to customer specifications. We use the clear bags. We've been doing that since '86. I want people to see our quality of ingredients because nobody makes fertilizer with the quality that we have. We spend a lot of time researching that. So here we can do about 3 guys can bag probably 5 tons an hour quite easily. And we bought this robot 7 years ago, so it helps the guys don't have to work so hard breaking their back. And it stacks the bags up on a pallet and switches pallets, and we wrap it and ship it out.